Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I just wanted to show something really quick that I think is pretty cool. Once I get to the car. Alright, so this is my my 2010 RAV4, and I got this silicone grease. So, and you kind of get a hint of what it's for here on the front. So it's to help windows and rubber. So what I did first with it is I used it on all of the rubber around the doors. And the reason I did that was because I read that if you had squeaks in your car, specifically I have squeaks with the back hatch, and the back hatch would just kind of, I guess it's the plastic on the back of it, like in here, the very back. But with the rubber, with the silicone grease, I put that on the rubber and it actually made the squeaks go away, which was amazing. Another use for it is to make noisy windows less noisy. So I wanted to show you that. So I'll do my driver's side window without the grease to show you how it sounds. It doesn't sound the best. So here, we'll just turn this on real quick. Okay, and here is, here, I'll close it just to get rid of that noise. All right, so here's the driver's side without grease and up. You can see it's kind of slow, kind of makes a little bit of noise. And here's the passenger side. It also is a little bit noisy. All right, so what I hope to do is fix that with the silicone grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that ready. All right, so what you're gonna do is take the silicone grease and you're gonna go in the tracks in the side here and just spray it in through the track here. And then in the side of the track here. And you can just put some down in the bottom here as much as you want. Okay, let's see if that makes any difference. Now, it may not make a difference right away, but we're gonna see. And I'm gonna do the passenger side also. Here, let me go ahead and do that while we let that sit. So this is without it. We're gonna do this real quick. Sorry for my shaky cam here. All right, so again, we're gonna take this and just go into the tracks of the window. And this stuff doesn't really leave any residue or anything like that. It's kind of, it'll dry up. And if you get it all over your trim, like I just did, you can take this out. All right, and then take it right here. Okay, so we got that done. Now let's try the driver's side and see how it sounds. And see if it made any improvement in how fast or slow it goes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, a little bit of an improvement there. All right, let's do it one more time. Go up and down. Wow, much faster. Much faster. Much faster. All right, now passenger side. Now, I don't know if this will, really improve it too much, but you're supposed to do it a couple times, and then it should make it a little bit better. So, I'll give you an update, and hopefully it goes back to, a good type, a good speed. It seems like it's better already. So, anyway, so that's you know, silicone grease, if your windows are going up and down kind of slow, or it makes kind of noise and stuff, maybe you could use this and it might help. Thanks for watching.